Alright, you guys, we're getting ready to do another layer for fall here in the bathroom, and we're going to do simple changes. We are only using items that we already have here in my home. We're not purchasing anything new or anything like that. But I am going to give this bathroom a whole new look using the same colors, you guys. And we're going to make some simple changes in here in the space. And redo the bathroom. And you guys, that trash can there, we did the video and I didn't actually let you see the completed trash can, but we're not moving none of this. So we're going with these curtains here for here, and we're going to change out some of the shelf and this here as well. But we're going to just make a few subtle changes here in the space. So with that being said, we're finna get started. And you know I always start with the shower area first. And also, family, make sure you do check out the video that I use featuring these Amorho backlit LED mirrors. I will include the link down in the description and also my discount code as well. Now, these LED mirrors, you guys, does add elegance to any space. It will change the look of your bathroom, your hallway, your bedroom, your living room. So do make sure you do check them out. Also, you guys, make sure you do stay tuned because your girl is going to be doing some more changes out that you will get to see soon for my tiny but grand bathroom. The links are in the description. And you guys, these flower print curtains, I will tell you, I do love them. I did purchase these curtains here from Amazon. I will put that link down in the description box. You guys, as you can see, I have my little Bantu on my head. If you guys would love to know how to create Bantus, let me know down in the comment and I'll do a video showing you how I create them several ways. So just let me know. But we are styling this bathroom. We're staying with our blue colors. Do make sure you stay tuned, you guys, because we got some fabulousness coming your way. I'm excited, and I know for sure you're going to be excited for some of the changes that you're going to be seeing taking place here on Glam Queen DIY. And two, I always step back and take a look at how my space looking while I am doing my styling process. Don't forget, family, to subscribe to the DIY channel, Glam Queen DIY, our home decor channel, which is Her Home Is. Also, our tablescape channel, which is Her Tablescapes. Our vlogging channel, Molux Vlogs, and also our channel for our shorts, which is Her Shorts. We will run all the shorts here. But let's finish styling this fall bathroom. And now I'm just looking at my vase with 3 of my other vases that I put on my shelf. And I wasn't quite liking the other 3 vases, so we're going to pull them out. And I do this. You don't see it all the time in the videos, but it's one thing I do. I may put out something that I think I want in the space, but in the overall scheme, I don't like it as much, so I'll change it. Now you guys, when you're styling your space, let me tell you, style your space to whatever makes you feel good. You know, here on the platform, we're just here to give you some inspiration. We'll let you see what we're doing just to inspire you, but always make your home and your space, make it comfortable and appealing to you. And I'm just adding in a little bit more of fall greenery, and you're gonna see some fall floral styled in my home as well, so make sure you do stay tuned for that as well. And if you want your space smelling so very good, you guys, I will tell you, these Clorox wipes has an amazing scent. I love using the Clorox wipe as well as the Lysol wipes. And I will tell you, my favorite is actually those Lysol wipes. They have a very lemony organic type smell to them, and they smell divine to me. So if you want to create just a scent in a space, these wipes will let you accomplish that. Alright family, now let's do a recap so that we can bring you up to the reveal. Now you guys, do make sure you are checking the video's description box. I do keep a lot of useful information for you down in that description box. Always talk to me through the comments. I enjoy reading and responding to you from there as well. Don't forget to check out all of the Glam Cream branded channels. The links are in the description. And to you guys, make sure you do stay prepared, and you don't have to get prepared. You guys, I love you guys so very, very much. You guys, let me know in the comments what you think about this video. Now the reveal.